Hi everyone, Dr. Stephanie Dubell here. On this week's episode, we'll be talking about chiropractic instruments that I use in practice, as well as alternate adjusting techniques. When a lot of people think about chiropractic, they think that it is just a hands-on type of healthcare. And yes, our hands are our primary ways of taking care of people, but we also use instruments. And I like to use instruments in practice when people just aren't fully as comfortable with the hands-on adjusting, or they don't like the whole neck and head turning thing. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of my instruments. So this one is called the ArthroStem, and I love to use this for patients who just have some tight muscles or they're not as easy to adjust. This headpiece here goes and relaxes the muscles along the spine, as well as moving the bones of the spine a little bit more, so it's a little bit easier on myself as well as the patient that I'm adjusting. And you can take off the little pieces here and change them. So this one I like to use for just overall muscle tightness. It really helps to stretch out the muscle, works out any of the built up lactic acid that there is, and just helps to elongate the muscles and stretch them out, causing them to kind of release some tension that they have built up in there. And then there's also this one that I like to use for trigger points. So if people have a knot in their back and their muscle that's just not releasing on its own, I like to use this on the ArthroStem, and it just helps to break that muscle down a little bit more. I also have the activator, and this I like to use mostly on people's necks when they're not comfortable with the head turning. A lot of people get freaked out by the noise that is made with a neck adjustment. I like to use this activator, and you can change the tension of it, whether it be super light or a little bit heavier depending on where you're using it in the spine. And all you do is just put the head right here on the part of the bone that is misaligned, and then you just pull it like that, and it just pushes the bone back into its proper alignment. So just some cool tools that I like to use in office that a lot of people didn't even know existed. So if you guys have any more questions about any of the instruments that I use in the office, just reach out to me. Thanks. If you guys have any questions about any of the alternate techniques or instruments that I use during this video, just drop a comment below and I will answer your questions.